and welcome to our game show Tech-Knows-Logy. How much do you know about ICT integration in education? I am your host, Christian Leandro, and I am joined by...
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Christopher! Since we are already in the age of information and technology has become part of our daily life, it is a challenge that we need to step up our adaptability in this changing time. Technology has made advancements in how we communicate, in how we entertain ourselves, in how we act in the community, and even providing us opportunities of safety, mobility, and connectivity. It made learning more interactive and collaborative, which help us to better engage in the real world. For today's episode, our main category is
digital literacy.
Now, let's meet our contestant. Contestant number 1.
Hello everyone, I'm Lorelai.
Contestant number 2.
Good day, everyone. I'm DJ.
Contestant number 3.
Hello, I'm Vanessa.
And contestant number 4.
Hi, I'm Camille.
Our first round is called the hashtag round. A word will flash on the screen and you have to think of an adjective to describe it. Are you ready? The first word is literacy.
Me, hashtag ability.
Knowledge.
Learning? Familiarity?
Well, Lister,
All are accepted. Literacy is the ability to use our knowledge and skills to identify, understand, create, communicate, and compute using printed and written materials associated with varying contexts. It is a continuous learning to achieve goals, develop potential, and to become familiar with the community.
congratulations! You all got a point for that. The next word is digital literacy.
Technology!
Information. Effectiveness.
Capability.
What can you say, Glister?
You are all correct. Digital literacy is having the skills to live, learn, and work in a society where communication and access to information is increasing through technologies. It is the capability to effectively and responsibly perform and function in a digital society.
What a great start! Having digital literacy provides us the equipment and preparation to the challenges of the 21st century. Knowing the technology, how to use it, and even knowledge about the beauty and danger of technology, it could let us become ready and responsible. Congratulations! You all passed the first round. Here we are to the second round. Our second round is called Pass the Word. I'm going to ask one question and each player should consecutively give me an answer that corresponds to what I'm looking for. Glister 4 will help us if it's right or wrong. The question is, what are the different types of digital literacy? Go!
Media literacy.
Correct. Media literacy is one's ability to critically read information or content and utilize multimedia in creatively producing communications.
Information literacy.
That's right. Information literacy is locating information from the web and interpreting while evaluating its validity in order that it can be shared.
Collaboration.
Correct.
Communications.
And that's also correct. Communication and collaboration are one's capabilities in being able to participate in the digital networks in the teaching and learning context.
Learning skills.
You are right. Learning skills are ways of knowing how to study and learn in a technology-enriched environment. These are knowing how to utilize technology in addressing the need to learn efficiently.
Digital scholarship.
That's also correct. Digital scholarship is being able to link and participate in professional and research practices.
And time's up! Whew, that was intense. Lister,
Seems like DJ got disconnected. And sure, in addition to aforementioned literacies, we also have the ICT literacy, which is knowing how to select and use digital devices, applications, or services to accomplish tasks requiring the use of the internet. Identity management is being able to understand how to ensure safety and security in managing online identity and foster a positive digital reputation.
and yes, all the words that I mentioned are truly digital literacies that an individual must hold to live in this information age. Being equipped with such skills means preparing more to a new journey of continuous learning with technology. Congratulations, guys! For the next question, these are core skills that are required to attain an in-depth understanding about concepts. They are referred to as the 6 C's of the 21st century skills. So, what are the 6 C's of the 21st century skills?
The first one is critical thinking. It is about learning how to solve problems and differentiate facts from opinions.
Correct. Critical thinking is being able to evaluate information and arguments, identify patterns and connections, and construct meaningful knowledge and apply it in the real world.
Second one is creativity. It is about thinking out of the box and taking pride in what within us.
That's right. Creativity is encouraging individuals to think beyond the expectations of conventions. It is being able to weigh up opportunities in a great way and ask the right question to generate new ideas.
Collaboration. It happens when a student knows how to work well with others, to accomplish a given task, or to solve a problem.
That is right. Collaboration is the ability to team with others and to share ideas and build interpersonal and team-related skills.
Citizenship.
Ah, yes. Citizenship is known as the netizenship in the virtual world.
It is character.
Characters is how one behaves accordingly by observing the norms and rules in accordance with are sociable and virtually acceptable.
That is correct. Glister.
The last one is communication, which is about how individuals express their ideas in an organized and cleanest manner. It is how to efficiently and clearly convey ideas through a variety of methods and tools to reach different range of audience.
Looking good with your points, everyone. And to all the viewers, are you remembering the keyword? Well, if you do, well done. Well, for the final question of this round, players, listen. According to Matthew Lynch, there are 8 digital literacy skills needed to become digitally literate. What are these skills?
The first one, I believe, is coding. Coding is a universal language. It is used for communicating with computers and other machines to perform an action.
Right. We must know how to read and use code, as it is the language which promote development of apps, websites, and softwares. Enough knowledge of coding will help us attain possibility of turning ideas to applications and visual aids, as well as improve our technologies to their respective purposes.
Collaboration.
Example scenario of digital literacy fostering collaboration is the use of Google Docs, and among others which allow individuals with effective online collaboration and teamwork.
Information evaluation is a critical thinking to fend off fake news.
Of course, information evaluation is important to distinguish the reliability of materials found in the internet. It is about being aware and critical with any data that is running around in internet.
We also have word processing software, where it is all about having the ability to understand and use Google, Microsoft Online Dropbox, and other Microsoft Offices.
That is right.
Screencasting is a video recording using the screen and usually includes our audio.
Yes, being able to use screencasting or print screen, which is for capturing image and computer screen, is useful in capturing evidences to aid in explanation and visual support to clarify ideas. The other skill is about cloud software, which is an essential part of document management. The cloud is used to store everything from photos to research projects, to term papers and even music. The last one is personal archiving, which is about tagging, metadata, keywords, and categories to become aware of what is represented online. It is the active maintenance of digital life through management, preservation, and access.
We have the last one, which is the use of social media. You know, social media serve different purposes depending on the use, the technology, and the need. We are lucky enough to experience it, but we should always be aware of its consequences. So we all learn, right? The experience it was will bring us to a world that is modern and innovative. Congratulations, guys! Isn't that amazing? We are all learning by listening and watching. ICT integration. And such beauty of digital literacy is what makes us dwell into a world where it lets us become engaged, challenged, and critical, especially when technology is involved. Of course, the more integration of ICT in education, the more exciting and proficient learning and teaching there will be. Oh no, it's already time. But how can we end this episode without knowing our players' reflection about today's main topic?
I think that the importance of each digital literacy is making us go and move beyond a process-oriented understanding of technology and apply digital resources creatively in original works. With media, it teaches us to think critically about media, to be assertive with facts, and be responsive around media. It just allows us to be who we want and enjoy media as we can.
It is important that we know and understand digital literacy because it allows us to be conscious with our digital surrounding, especially now that we are in the 21st century. Also, digital literacy is all about encouragement. Thank you.
It allows us to see everything, especially the 21st century. It gives us a choice on we can use technology to be effective and responsible for everything.
How about you, dear viewers? How did you do? Well, see you again soon.
One trivia. My name is derived from the person who termed digital literacy. His name is Paul Gilster, who believed that digital literacy is not just about using technologies but mastering their ideas as well. Goodbye everybody.